welcome to our vertical entrepreneurship development course CV22022 Startup Formation and Scalability. Today we will discuss about the product development life cycle with a suitable case study. Last class we discussed about what is product development cycle, how it plays major role in startup formation, even including scalability. This class we will discuss about the major case study in the product development life cycle. As per the definition, product development cycle start from design ending with maintenance. Major important to analyze this product development cycle. Before going to the market, we need to analyze whether is it possible to sustain for longer time. That's why we have a many stages. We call minimum viable product MVP, proof of concept, testing and validation, early stage testing. These are the methods to evaluate our new product, whether is it possibility for the success. During our startup journey, after TRL 5, we need to understand about the sustainability and scalable. That's why we introduced this subject. So before entering into market, we need to understand whether sustainable for longer time with the suitable benefits. Benefits includes two major things. Number one, our product able to solve the present problem in the society or industry. Then based on the product, whether we are capable for running our industry or venture. Here in the product development cycle, we start from design, then conceptual design, product development, testing and validation. Before going for product type, particularly prototype development, we need to validate. Once again, based on the testing, getting feedback from our customer, we need to analyze the prototype. Then we go for immediate product development, then proof of concept. This is our regular cycle. This class will give more importance to case study. This will give suitability for your better understanding. Here we have how the product cycle is helpful for product development. Different stages we have. Importance of the stage. The importance mainly focus testing and validation. After for large scalability, after higher investment, we are not able to regain all the original things. Investment higher level, if you are not able to fulfill the customer satisfaction, major money loss. That's why we need minimum viable product, proof of concept. We already discussed about beta testing. These are the things to make comfortable in the startup journey. Now we have one important method to identify whether it will withstand for longer time. We have a suitable case study. I will give the case study how we are going to evaluate new product development. Before entering into new product development, what is idea behind it? Major problem in the society after 70 years age, basically old people are suffering many issues, particularly orthopedic issue. If there is a bone fracture, once again if they are going for rebuild, if it is possible for rejoining within durable time, but due to calcium deficiency, they are not able to regain its original structure. That's why they are going for operation. During the operation, doctor suggesting some implant. Based on the implant, they will get original size, structure, capable for doing all those things. This is the doctor phenomenon. But after 70 age, with a lot of problem, they are entering into the life after bone fracture with suitable operation, with introducing some implant in their body. After post operation, there is a major issue. The issue mainly focus particularly in the biocompatibility. In the biocompatibility, the problem arises after operation because of major bacterial and virus problems arising. It leads to focus mainly for heart attack. The reason behind it, biocompatibility is poor after 70 age. Otherwise, they are able to sustain for longer time, even 80, even 90. Because of the fracture, they are not even go for longer service life. Now the problem we are taking, we need to understand a implant, affordable amount of cost. The same time, we want to make biocompatibility. At present, we are doing with the titanium, stainless steel, magnesium. We need to increase the mechanical as well as bio character of the implant. That is our study. Now coming to the point, idea behind our startup, how to fabricate a new implant material with suitable mechanical characterization with biocompatibility. This is our problem. Now coming to our product development cycle. Now our product we identified bio implant. For that we need to identify suitable material. Suitable material at present we have titanium, magnesium, stainless steel. These three materials are good, but the problem again, the problem in that biocompatibility. Biocompatibility plays major role. Now we need to analyze mechanical character as well as biocompatibility. Based on surface modification and adding alloying other element, we can improve the major mechanical property. By means of surface coating, biocompatible coating, we can improve the surface life of the bioimplant. Now, we will see some flow chart. For better understanding, we are taking titanium hydroxide reinforced magnesium zinc alloy. This is basically a hybrid composite for achieving service better life in mechanical character as well as biocompatibility. We have magnesium is major portion, smaller amount of zinc, character of implant material, magnesium plays major role. We have hybrid reinforcement, adding titanium. Titanium mainly improves the wear character. Titanium improve the wear character. HA particularly improve the biocompatibility. Biocompatibility we can improvise by means of adding some natural material also. Based on that natural fiber, natural reinforcement we can achieve. Now we have a fabrication method by means of ball milling and squeeze casting. We are producing different alloying composition. In that diagram, we are planning to discuss 4 different specimen with different composition. HA may vary. Now we have a specimen from Q's casting, 4 different specimen. We are going for physical evaluation, microstructural evaluation, mechanical evaluation. We are going for analyzing wear because most of the important study wear, biocompatible study, particularly for implant, corrosion and cell evaluation. These tests we need to introduce into 2 different laboratory. One is from mechanical side, another one from our biology side. Biology means biotechnology side. In mechanical side, we have 3 major. One is metallurgy side, XRD, SIM, EDAX. Another one testing, mechanical testing, compression, tension. Then important one is hardness, wear. These and all here mechanical testing. Then the major thing, important elementary thing here, density and porosity. We have in the biotechnology, we need to understand biocompatibility with suitable testing like in vitro and in vivo test. Based on that, we are having a result. With that result, what we are getting? What is the wear resistance at present implant having? Because of that, wear resistance how much is improved? Basically, wear resistance means improved means it can sustain for longer time. Where we need wear resistance based implant material, particularly in dental teeth, we need to improve the hardness as well wear resistance. During a crushing action, there is a proper major wear occurring. In order to avoid that, in the dental implant, more wear resistant material we need to apply. That's why we have titanium based composite here. Sometimes ceramics plays major role to make suitable wear resistance. Now with that, we have a mechanical improvement in the character by adding some alloying or some surface modification. The same time, in biology side, we have suitable biocompatibility. Because of that, we introduced many things. Based on that, the sustainable. We discussed about biocompatibility mainly. Here we discussed that mainly biocompatibility means here after implant we have lot of important tests we required. That's why doctors always insisting after operation post treatment care. After operation we have post treatment care for better efficiency of service life of the implant material. Need to understand whether because of that implant material some defects may happen. Sometime swelling particularly near that implant material. We need to understand everything based on the biocompatibility. One side mechanical testing, another one side we have biocompatibility testing. Final result, if both are good, we need to understand service life of the component. There are many tools are available to estimate the service life of the component. Particularly it's a bio implant. We are keeping the bio implant with suitable animal. With that we need to understand the life of the implant material. After study with that animal, we are going for human being also. With that human being, how long they are able to sustain with suitable implant material. So two different condition ending with service life of the component. So this case study you can easily understand, particularly for implant material. Here various testing methods are involved. Before going to implant material design, with the help of computer aided design and simulation software, we are able to see the picture on the screen. What is the material density? With that thickness, how long it can withstand? What is the character of that material? If adding some other alloying element based on the simulation software, how hardness and wear resistance is improved. Everything we can understand with computer aided design and simulation software. Using 3D printing connected with the simulated software, we can take that prototype. With that prototype, we can go for smaller testing level. If small testing is good, we go for mass production. Now, using some emerging technology like artificial intelligence, IoT, we can develop a product. With that product, you can easily understand what are the problems are reducing here. Now we need to understand two things. One is quality of the product, another one is service life. This case study mainly focus for first one service, number two that means service life. How long it is able to sustain, how long effectively it is working inside our body. Particularly if you go for dental implant, usually they are giving service life 15 years. That is depends on the age and the environment also. If we need to improve the service life instead of 15, 25, what will need for that? Using that product development cycle. In our product development cycle, we have that start from design, then we have how to get a prototype based on the testing, rebuild the prototype, then once again going for market scalability. Here we need to understand how to get feedback from the customer. This case study major issue, this is related to implant, bio implant. It is connected with human life. Life is a major one. That's why we need to understand many testing procedure. Testing procedure includes in vitro, in vivo, then early stage with suitable permission from the human being. Various testing we need to understand. The similar thing only they are introduced the injection, particularly humanization for corona. The time plays major role. For that we have some important tools and technology. Here tools how they are helping. Before coming to the market, we need scalability. For that scalability, whether the product is able to sustain for longer time. For that, we need to understand characterization of the product. For characterization, we have suitable CAD simulation software, then 3D printing. Using artificial intelligence, we can introduce many product development. We can insist many things through the tools and technology. Now, what are the major challenges in the product development? In this case study, what are the major challenges? Number one, fabrication is important one. We have a lot of challenges. Adding some alloying element, facility required including furnace. That one type of challenge. Number two, we have a various testing, mechanical testing, metallurgical testing, wear testing. These and all we are doing in the laboratory. These are the another challenge. Third one is a major challenge, using in vitro test and in vivo test. We need to understand the biocompatibility. Here, biocompatibility, we need in vitro and in vivo test. Biological test is a major issue. Permission from the government. If we are doing all those things with the animal, we need to get permission from the government. Without permission of government, it is not possible. That's why the major challenge include many things. Permission from the government. With that challenge, we need to develop a product. Suitable information we need to get from the incubation center. How our incubators are helping for product development? Major challenges like permission from the government, everything the incubation center will take care. Now, many medical college having that incubation tester, that is called bio incubation center. Bio incubation centers are suitably having a permission from the government for all type of biological testing. They are connecting with the hospital for early child detection and all. They can incorporate with their own patient. These are challenges are solution we can get for the challenges from the incubation center. Major benefits here, particularly if you have a problem, then immediately using tools through this product development cycle, we can reduce the time to market. Suitable information and example during the corona, how that market plays major role. With the short time, what are the things coming from the medical side? Development in the medical side is more. That's why I'm always telling software development is major role in the startup. Another important one is a healthcare. At the same time, introducing mass things before production in scale up, we are going for some testing suitable tools. That is a cost efficiency and effective. High product quality we can maintain with suitable customer satisfaction. We need to understand quality as well as productivity. For productivity, we are going for scale up, we need to test all those things. This product development cycle helping a lot to reduce your time, giving suitable information about a cost, then higher product quality. Now, AI driven design and testing give better solution for longer time sustainable. Customer customization also possible by artificial intelligence. Now, coming to here, what we want to conclude here, we understand what is product development cycle with various stages. With that product development cycle, where we can start, where we can maintain, what are the importance of product development cycle. With the suitable case study, implant, bio implant with magnesium, zinc, we can produce it a bio implant. What are the testing involved? Everything we studied in this lecture. So based on the bio impact on that implant, we can sustain longer time. With this, we will conclude product development cycle. With the suitable tools, we can reduce the time to market as well, improve the efficiency of the product in cost wise. Thank you.